Hello and welcome to SkipperBud's Quarterdeck Marina here in Sturgeon Bay, Door County, Wisconsin. Today we're going to have a look at a new listing that just came in, and I have to say something special about this boat. This is a Bayliner 2355 Ciera, and I've had a lot of nice boats come in from customers. You know, over time, you can tell they keep things nice and clean, and they've cleaned it up nice for, you know, for the listing. But I will say the extra detail that this couple has done to bring everything in, how clean this boat has been kept. This is a single owner boat, this Ciera, and you'll notice everything here. The bimini was all wrapped up just perfect, and to protect everything down in the cabin. That's where it was shipped. I took it out just so we have a little more room down there so I can show you. But so there's the bimini and the canvas and everything, of course, down below. So here in the rear cockpit, you do have a seat that folds out from that transom cushion there. So you do have some extra seating here in the rear cockpit. You have a nice swim platform with swim ladder, and then as we look forward, you have a switchback seat, which is pretty neat. So this becomes a little social area here. You can face aft, or of course swing it and face forward and enjoy the ride. So you do have a table and pole that mounts there in the floor if need be. Really nice steps to get up onto the to the front, the bow access, walk through windshield to do a little sunbathing, or of course manage your fenders and lines when needed. So nice access to the front of the boat there. And of course over here you got your helm, all your gauges, and then there's a little depth finder and fish finder that's disconnected and down below for the moment. So let's hop on down below. So for 2355, it's incredible the amount of space that these boats have. And again, everything just neatly tucked away for travel and storage. You'll not believe how clean this boat is. Everything right down to the microwave. Everything's nice and squeaky clean. Again, single owner boat has been kept really, really nicely. They've had a ton of fun and great adventures, but retiring from boating and on to their next adventure in life. So everything comes with it. You got all your shore power cords, fenders, there's paperwork, manuals, you name it, accessories, extra parts. The bimini also has some canvas, so there is side curtains, aft curtains, so you get a nice enclosure up in the cockpit. You do have snap in, snap out carpeting for out there, the shown here. Otherwise just leave it off and wash it down. I'm not even sure everything in here that came with it, but everything they've ever had for the boat comes with it. So extra lines, parts, you name it. So really nice, clean stand-up head. Everything's nice and airy. You got a lot of nice windows down here with privacy curtains. You can let some light in. Of course, your hatch up front, so you can let in some fresh air. And then heading back this way, we do have, of course, our mid cabin. Real quick on the front seating area, of course, can get turned to a V berth. So there is a drop-in filler cushion, as well as a table pedestal. So you can either have a table up front, or of course the V berth converts to a bed. And then here back in the mid cabin, you have a really nice big bed for two people. And again, everything comes with. So you got your life jackets here, a throwable. You got some dock poles. Inside the bag here is a full boat cover for the boat. So for storage or trailering, there is a full boat cover. There's your table and filler cushion for the V berth. So just a little storage area for now, but nice big sizable bed with privacy curtain. Just a great starter boat for someone who wants to start spending some nights on the water. Maybe a little weekend away at another marina. Keep you out on the water a little longer. So if you have any questions on this, or would like to stop by and give it a look, give us a call here at Quarterdeck Marina, SkipperBud's, or stop on by. We'll show you around. Thanks.